Hey everyone! Today I thought I would do a flip through of the latest book by the artist who I can never say her name, but we all know who she is. This is Enchanted Earth. Now I pre-ordered this here on Amazon US. So it came into February, I think. I don't know. But I thought we'd flip through and take a look together. Now the paper in this one is thinner than her other books, so that was kind of surprising to me, but artwork wise, let's see what we got. I didn't flip through it all myself because I wanted to flip through it with you guys. Oh, this is really pretty. Really pretty. Okay, let me see. Yep, they're all single-sided, so I'll move this to the center. Oh, that's gorgeous. I did not buy her mandala one, but that's because when I do mandalas, I prefer like the traditional style. However, I was really excited to get this one because it looked like it would be pretty cool. Oh, check that out. It's coming right out of the bathtub. I like that. So yeah, I was really excited to get this one. And so far, I'm liking these images. The Circle of Life one was really pretty, but wow, oh my gosh, look at the detail in this thing though. this vase, I'm gonna take a while. Not just the flowers, but like the vase itself. Oh, those are darling. That's on the cover. I've actually seen a few people who have gotten the book already color this page. These ones are very detailed. Holy shimoly. This had to have taken forever to draw. That's pretty. I really like this one. This is also at the front of the book, except it had text right here. Oh, such beautiful artwork. Well, this is like the simplest page in here, I think. And I like it. And I'm normally not a desert scene kind of gal. Oh, that one's cool. Oh, look, they come in the shape of a wolf. Gosh, this woman is beyond talented. Like, her books intimidate me a little, I'm not gonna lie. But they're just beautiful. Like, you know, Kirby Roseanne's has, oh, that one I've seen done a few times. It's beautiful. Kirby Roseanne's has, you know, his very intricate work. Granted, his newer ones no longer have the hide and seek pieces, but something about her artwork, while it's busy and kind of intimidating, like Kirby, oh, this would be awesome for fall. Awesome. Something about it is just, I don't know. I'm still intimidated, but I find myself wanting to tackle these more than a Kirby page. Beautiful, beautiful images. Creativity is unreal. I like that one. Gosh, these are gorgeous. Look at that one. That would be really fun. Little galaxy theme with a big old peacock there. Ooh, this one's cool. I like that one. And you got all the constellations going on. Oh, book depository left me a bookmark. Oh, well, they left it on a page that I really like. This may be one of the first ones I color in here. That one is awesome. Oh, wow, I really like that one. It's cool. Ooh, that is really pretty. It's like a locket. It's opened up. I'm digging how she's like put all these elements in there. Like the painter's palette, but then all these things coming off of it. Like, look, you could color each one of these like as a paint color, you know. Ooh, that's cool. It's an eyeball. They like are swirling around in an eyeball. It's kind of creepy. but cool. It's creepy and cool. That one's awesome. Yeah, just the detail in these things. I'm just like amazed at the artwork and how long it would take. Her other book had an acorn one. But yeah, just to color these. Oh my gosh, this one is luscious. This one would be so pretty with like pinks and teals. Ooh, this and the candle page so far are my favorite. I have seen some people color this one already. I'm behind on my flip through videos, so better late than never. Ooh, that's cute. Those little turtles. Oh, another. How many bookmarks am I going to be given? Ooh, that one's really cool. I like that one. Wow, that is... We got a little one back here. This is like the easiest one to color. Let's start there. And then see on the back you've got sample, and then it shows that Circle of Life and Nature Mandalas. That's the one I didn't get. So actually, I apologize. I just now remembered. This is the one I got off Book Depository. I still have it pre-ordered for Amazon US. That one hasn't come yet. I'll be curious if the paper is any different, because does it say in here? Yeah, because this was printed overseas, so I'm curious if the US version will have the thick paper. Guess we'll find out later this month. But that is Enchanted Earth. I will leave a link in the description below to the Book Depository and Amazon US version. Like I said, you can still pre-order it. So until next time, everyone, take care. Bye now.